Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video tour. Today we are checking out the all-new 2025 Clipper 17BH by Coachmen RV. This has a front queen bed, some rear bunks, comes in a little over 20 feet long and real close to about 2,900 pounds dry. We're going to take a few minutes here, kind of walk you through the inside and outside of this little lightweight RV and kind of show you what this thing is all about. We'll be right back on the inside. All right, we are now up inside the new 2025 Coachmen Clipper 17BH travel trailer here. Again, this is a small, kind of lightweight travel trailer here, coming in under 3,000 pounds dry. So let's start up here in the front. As you've seen on the floor plan, it was up a few seconds ago. Basically, you have your front bedroom for the adults up here. Now, this bed will raise up, giving you access to a lot of underneath storage that you can get to from either in here or outside. Up here in the corner, you are going to have TV hookups. There's an electric outlet and a cable outlet there. So if you go to a campground that has cable or satellite or something, you could plug into the side and bring TV right on in. You're going to have a little shelf up above there. There's an electric outlet over there and also USB charger port. Now there is a little bit of an area right here where you could maybe set your phone or glasses or drink or something like that, just down at the end of the mattress. Looking up top here, you're going to have a decent amount of overhead cabinet space here above your dinette. That goes all the way through there. Big window that does open. You're going to have electric outlet there. You're going to have storage underneath of this dinette area here, so you can stash some goodies under there. This dinette will also go down and make into a bed, so you could sleep an extra guest here if you wanted to also. It is all linoleum floor in here. Got your fire extinguisher down below, traditional RV entry door and screen door. You're going to have an electric outlet there, the propane furnace thermostat right there, and the Suburban on-demand water heater right there as well, the control for it. Up here on the side of the cabinet, you're going to have your power awning button, your awning light switch, ceiling light, water pump switch, and your monitor panel for your holding tanks and stuff all right here. Up above here, you are going to have a decent amount of counter space, or I'm sorry, cabinet space. Window does open, high-rise faucet, 2-burner gas stovetop right there. Sink-wise, it has a single bowl undermount stainless sink. Got the little matching cover there to kind of fill it in. And then down below, you're going to have more storage underneath of that sink area. Looking up at the ceiling area here, you are going to have your smoke detector up there. There is the GE air conditioner right there as well. Very nice setup there. Has heat pump built in. It's kind of cool that they give you a heat pump and also give you a propane furnace. Window over there does open. Got USB charger ports at both bunks. Down below is the propane furnace and the electric box with the breakers and fuses in it. Then you are going to have the Furrion 12-volt, 8 cubic foot refrigerator. So freezer on top, refrigerator on bottom. What do you guys think of the look? Do you like the cabinetry and stuff, the colors in here? I know it's kind of a smaller unit. It's not as fancy as some of the real big monster ones that I video, but it's pretty cool for a small starter family coach here. You're going to have foot flush toilet here. And you will have a vent up above the shower area here, and basically a step-in shower with the pull-across curtain. All right, guys, we are going to step back outside. I want to show you around the outside of the RV, and we'll check out the roof and a little bit underneath and everything and kind of check it all out. We'll be right back on the outside. All right, we are now back on the outside of the all-new 2025 Clipper 17BH Cadet by Coachmen RV, guys. Starting here on the door side, we're going to kind of work our way around for you. So first things up, this is an aluminum-sided RV, wood frame constructed. You are going to have a pretty good size pass-through storage across the front section of the RV here that again you could get to from inside. The little black square there in the front corner is prepping for a portable solar panel. So you could get a solar panel, plug it in, kind of move it around, get it out there in the sun. Because a lot of times when you camp, you're parked under a tree and the ones on the roof sometimes just don't get any sunlight. So it's kind of nice being able to plug in a portable version and move it around as needed because they usually come with pretty long cords to do that with. You're going to have a double entrance step here, and that basically folds up, goes back underneath the RV right there. It does ride on a BAL frame system, so a little different branding on the frame system. It's not a Lippert product. You are going to have a good size power awning here for a small RV with an LED light strip built in, adjustable arms for tilting, manual override in the front arm head. You do have a black entry exit door here, does again have the screen door on it. You have the electric outlet right there, deep tent safety glass window that opens. You're going to have your furnace exhaust out right here on this side. It is a single axle, steel wheel, easy lube hub, drum brake system on leaf springs. Now down below right here, you are going to have hot and cold low point water drains. You also have a gas line hookup, and there is the pet friendly leash latch holder right there as well. Moving on around to the back side right here, you are going to have a traditional 4-inch square tube bumper. A lot of people like to store their dump hose in there. Just down below is 2 heavy-duty scissor jacks to stabilize the RV. You're going to have your on-demand water heater located back here. And then right up top here, you are going to have prepping for the Furrion rear observation camera. A very nice camera system that allows you to see what's going on behind you when you're driving down the road or backing into a campsite. The roof does have a nice little arch to it as well, trying to shed away some of that water and stuff. Now, speaking of the roof, let's hop up here real quick and check out what the roof actually looks like on this thing. All right, I just wanted to hop up here real quick and kind of show you what the roof of the Clipper 17BH might look like for you. So first things up, you're in the center here going to have your GE air conditioner. You have a couple plumbing stack vents. You have a roof vent and stuff. You have gutter rails that run down both sides. You're going to have seam on the back and also a seam in the front where the metal and stuff meets the roof material. So there's a lot of stuff up here, guys. You do have to get up here from time to time, maintain your seams and seals and around all your vents and stuff. It's very, very important to do. You got to seal around your windows and, you know, basically any place water can intrude, you want to keep up with that. It's the main reason why I got up here, but also just wanted you to kind of see what the roof actually kind of looks like. All right, let's head back down. All right, we are back down here on the ground. Again, guys, just remember, do your roof maintenance. That is extremely important. Down below here in the corner, you are going to have your dump area. So you have your gray and black tanks dumping out right here in this one location. You have a detachable 30 amp electric cord. There's also a cable / satellite inlet right there. So if you go someplace that has cable or satellite hookups, or maybe you get your own portable satellite to take with you, you can plug it in right there and feed it inside. Again, deep tent safety glass windows here, single axle, steel wheel, drum brakes. Just up here is going to be your gravity fill fresh water tank and your city water inlet, and just underneath of that is where you actually drain that out. Over here, you're going to have some very important informational stuff. So right here we have the production date sticker. It tells me this RV was built 10/2 of 24. Model number again is 17BH. The RV has a gross vehicle weight. This is the most you can load it up to, axle weight, hitch weight, everything combined. Do not exceed this number, 3,943 pounds. That's the gross vehicle weight. The tire size was ST205 75 R14 D range tire with a 65 PSI cold. Very important, keep up with your tire pressure. Now right down here is another sticker that they put. I don't know why they don't put them all together, but they don't. So right here's another sticker telling me that this one has a dry weight of 2,904 pounds, the way it rolled off the assembly line like this. There is an exterior length, it says, of 20 feet 5 inches right there. We're kind of stepping back here and checking out the front here. You can see it does have a pretty good roll to it, trying to, let that wind roll right up over top of it. So it's not that traditional flat front. It does have a very high diamond plate section right there. You are going to have a single 20-pound propane tank. You have a manual tongue jack. Some people do upgrade that aftermarket to a power tongue jack, but these little lightweight units like this are pretty easy to crank up and down on and off the vehicle. You're going to have 2 5/16 hitch ball, heavy duty safety chains, 7-way Barbon wiring plug, and you also have a breakaway cable system. Now there is room right here to put 1 or possibly 2 batteries, depending on the size of the battery that you go with. Now it comes with 0 batteries from the RV maker. However, if you do purchase from Couch's RV Nation, they do provide you with at least 1 battery in box from them. All right, guys, thanks a ton for taking the time to watch this tour of the 2025 Coachmen Clipper 17BH. If you don't mind, please remember to smash that like button. If you haven't done so, please remember to subscribe, help out the channel, much appreciated. And do yourself a favor, check out the folks at Couch's RV Nation, guys. They are one of the largest internet discount dealers in the country. They should save you a lot of money on a new RV. You can go pick it up from them, or if you want, have it shipped right to you. Talk to them about that as well. Thanks again.